All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a resolution you made in the new year. You made means past tense, so you can think about last year on 31st December when you made a resolution. A resolution is more like a promise that you made to yourself. What is the resolution? How will you complete it? Future. How you feel about it? Present. And why you made this resolution? The reason behind that. So please.
Resolution is something that motivates a man, and I think resolutions are made just to break. Because honestly speaking, many people make resolution on usually on the uh, new year, starting of a new year, but they cannot continue it. So I am also among these persons who make resolution just to break it, and every year I try to make a resolution, and just I can't go with it.
Thank you very much. See, you spoke off the topic. You should have talked about one resolution that you made last year, and then you should have expressed on that. What you did, you spoke about resolutions. Is this people make resolutions, some people don't make resolution. So this is not on the topic. This is entirely off the topic. So you should understand the topic, and then you should speak on it. Okay. Now, anyways, let's go on. All right. Do you think we should make resolutions about New Year?
Yes, I think that we should make resolution on the new year, because at the starting of the new year, it is the best time to make resolution, because we have a long way to go on the new year, and there are many months to come, and we find a very specific journey, a specific way to spend the whole year.
All right. I would advise you to focus the topic, especially in speaking part 2, and your answers must be according to the question, according to the topic. When the topic is describe a resolution you made, talk about the resolution that you made, not other people make and some people don't make. This topic was specifically in the past tense, but you just talked about it in general, so that will not be accepted. Okay? Thank you.